Yes, I have mask. You guys have mask? Okay, guys, let's go. Oh, did I?
Yeah.
Oh.
I took it out already.
Oh, okay, good. Yeah. It's not a big sister anymore. So we're going into the adult is what, $15 round trip.
Next one in like 10 minutes.
Okay. It's gone. But this is what we did in Hong Kong, guys. You know that tram in Hong Kong? Up in the at the peak. Excited? Beautiful. Well, it actually take a while, huh? Look at that.
About 10 minutes, I guess.
Not like you're flying as far as the view.
Wow. Wow, look at that.
What is it from?
Imagine
So guys, this is the look of the Tennessee Incline Railway, just like the one in Hong Kong. And in Hong Kong, you know the view there is a lot of buildings. So this is Tennessee, and there goes the tram. Whew. Beautiful. Yeah. So this is our Tennessee River right there.
Then First Walnut Street is right over there by that bridge.
To my Walnut Street.
That's where we're gonna go to the bridge, the walking bridge.
Uh-huh.
Straight ahead. You see the little hump bridge?
Right there?
Yeah.
Okay. Look at that long train, guys. Where is it? Down there.
Well, if you look straight that way, there's a lot more of the main setup of the trains down there. You see that big opening down there? It's all train cars down there.
So what do you think about this place, people?
Beautiful. Some people live here. There's a house right there. It's scary. You see that backyard? It's like, meow.
Yeah, right over the edge.
It's nice. That's what that's at a house over there.
Yeah.
Hong Kong has lots of big building by the ocean. But this is Tennessee River mountain backdrop.
You see the river going through? It's so beautiful.
Bye bye guys. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you had fun on our railway adventure here in Tennessee. Have a good day everyone.